Cha-cha real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Get funky with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stop? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops, 2 hops. 2 hops, 2 hops. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah. sexy, you, so sexy, so 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 very, very sexy, so sexy, so sexy, so very, very sexy. Mama, tell me what you wanna do. You wanna shake it, wanna move it, wanna groove it too. You say whoa, whoa, shake it up and turn around. Say whoa, whoa, gonna move it up and down. Say, Mama, tell me what you wanna do. You're gonna want it, gonna love it, gonna give it to you. You say whoa, whoa, shake it up and turn around. Say whoa, whoa, gonna move it up and down. Say, Mama, sing it, dig it down, way. Mama, sing it, dig it down, way. Mama, sing it, dig it down, so sexy, so sexy. Mama, sing it, dig it down, way. Mama, sing it, dig it down, way. Mama, sing it, dig it down, so sexy. And Mama said, so sexy, so sexy, you, 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 so sexy, so very, very sexy, so sexy, so sexy, so very, very sexy. Mama, tell me what you wanna do, yeah, you wanna move it, wanna groove it, you say whoa, whoa, shake it up and turn around, say whoa, whoa, gonna move it up and down, say, Mama, tell me what you wanna do, you're gonna want it, gonna love it, wanna give it to you, say whoa, whoa, shake it up and turn around, say whoa, whoa, gonna move it up and down, say, Mama, sing it, dig it down, way, Mama, sing it, dig it down, way, Mama, sing it, dig it down, so sexy, so sexy, Mama, sing it, dig it down, way, Mama, sing it, dig it down, way, Mama, sing it, dig it down, so sexy, and Mama said, so sexy, so sexy, you, 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 so sexy, so sexy, you. I'm coming right back. I'm doing that thing you never know what we wanna do. Can we give it that sexy and sexy? And everybody wanna have that. Yeah. Shake it, shake it, get your body to the ground, and everybody wanna know it. I'm doing
this time I call on the president of our association to give us his message, or should we call it words from the president. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Ray Rodrigo, our president.
Thank you, Laila. Good evening. Welcome to San Nicolas Association of Southern California, Town Fiesta 2012. We hope that it will be an exciting and memorable night for everyone. Let's welcome our guest from Pangasinan Brotherhood USA, Vice President Roger Cabal and wife, Lina, who is also the Secretary of the Board, President Ferrer, who will join us later tonight. He appointed me as one of the officers of the PB USA, and on behalf of the San Nicolas Association of Southern California, we thank you. Let's also welcome our friends from Magsingal Organization of America, headed by Mr. Augusto Lu and wife, Grace. They drove all the way from Stockholm just to be with us tonight. Thank you also. Also, we have a new members. Let us welcome Dr. Dan and Dr. Sherry and Chita. Welcome, doctors. We have also Mr. Vic and Marilu Maksud, who moved here from Australia. Vic is our choreographer in one of the dances for tonight's affair. We have Sheila Ong and daughters Diane and Dama. Sheila is our Exicom Chairman Alex Soriano's cousin. Also, for the first time, we have Joy Lagat and friend Phil David. And to everyone here tonight, welcome. Kakailian, I would like to announce that we San Nicolanians of Southern California will host the San Nicolanians Worldwide Grand Inilio 5 next year at the Embassy Suite in Anaheim on July 4, 5, 6, and 7. Mr. Noe Michael Serginia is the Executive Committee Chairman of this reunion. I ask for your full support and cooperation. We are looking for 400 to 500 attendees or even more. That's a lot of people to please. And we want them to go home happy and contented. So kakailian, let's join together for the preparation, planning, and execution to make this event the mother of all Grand Inilio. I'm bag marami kayo amin. At mabuhay ang San Nicolas. Salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. President. We've heard the president. And of course, after this town fiesta, then it wouldn't be what we call, we're gonna rest all those meetings and practices. After this, then we would have to start again for the preparation of Grand Inilio 5 for July 4, 5, 6, and 7 next week. All right, let's now move on to the next part of the program. I call on the former president. I think it was for about 5 years or 6 years that he became the president of SNPASC. For his closing remarks, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Froilan Mejia Sr. Sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, please allow me to extend my sincerest thanks to all of you who join us in observance of our town fiesta here in Southern California. Big thanks to the organizer and the committee heads and members who made this celebration possible. Our congratulations also to all the officers of the San Nicolas Association of Southern California, led by our President, Mr. Ray Rodrigo. To our guests and our patrons, thank you very much for the support. We look forward of seeing you next year. God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mejia. Did we tell them about the raffle tickets? I think how many ladies here, the Blue Sisters, are roaming around since we started the event, selling tickets. They're selling it for $2 a ticket, but if you get 10 bucks, then it will be, I think, 6 pieces, 6 tickets. Am I right? $10 for 10?
Yeah, $10 for 10.
How come I only got 6, I think? I got 10.
$5.
So $2 each, but 10 tickets for $10. So what's up next for
Don't say anything bad.
tonight's event, my co-host? Well, let's look at the program. There you are. All right. The next one would be the presentation of awards. May I call on the chairperson of the Comedian Awards, Mr. Troy Mejia, our president, Mr. Ray Rodrigo, and our executive chairperson, Mr. Alex Soriano, to please come forward for the awarding of the plaques of appreciation. Somebody could help us here, please. Manang Jessie Grace or Manang Carol, to please help us get the plaques of appreciation. Thank you. It's right over there.
May we please call on Mr. Froylan Mejia Jr. to receive the first presentation award. Exec-Com Chairman of 2011 Town Fiesta. Let's welcome Mr. Froylan Mejia Jr.
Actually, Mr. Froylan Mejia is the committee chairperson of the souvenir program. And if you're able to see a copy of the souvenir program, look at this a very nice souvenir program. There is a very nice logo of the SNBASC. So let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Froylan Mejia Jr. To receive the award is, maybe they wanted him to be, one more? Oh. Okay, so, water picture? I think, may bayad na daw ito ngayon, pangalawa. Sa wakas, may litrato na rin ako. Thank you. The next award goes to, this is not a surprise. Remember the previous Christmas celebration? Who among you were able to attend the 2011 Christmas celebration. Okay, that was really a big event, and it was very well attended at that time, and there were lots of surprises and presentations. And especially the Christmas nativity that all of us presented during the Christmas celebration. And it was because of the effort. I mean, like, it was spearheaded by the very industrious and very charming. So welcome, a recipient of another award, Miss Loida Rodrigo Lu. Nakangiti siya, oh. Thank you for all the efforts, Manang Loida. Dito sa baba ang gusto niya.
Oh, don't block the camera.
Don't block us
Oh.
here. Excuse
You could go on both sides.
Excuse me. Stay on the side. Okay, there you go.
Before we go on to the next award, may we acknowledge the presence of the PBA USA President, Mr. Eddie Ferrer, and his better half. Welcome, Mr. and Ma'am, for the SMPASC celebration. This award that the Executive Committee decided. Especially, this has been spearheaded by our President and our First Lady. What emerged from the first ever Achievement Award as Parents of the Year highlights the achievements of parents and as spouses who have remained steadfast, meaning firm, loyal, unchanging, and succeeded in the realization of their dreams. The San Nicolas Pangasinan Association of Southern California helps to motivate the younger generation, all of us, the younger generation, if you could please listen, to continuously believe that there is no easy way to living our dreams, although our paths may sometimes be peppered with trials, struggles, or hardships. Anna Carol?
At their age of 80, Froilan and Juanita, at 78, both retired, still are together, loving each other with bright hopes for the future, not only as individuals, but as a family, or as a unit. They enjoy the fruit of their efforts. They are blessed with 6 wonderful children and grandchildren who are now successful in their responsible fields.
Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have heard the reasons why this came up as the first ever Achievement Award as Parents of the Year. Also, may I call on the First Lady of the Association, who had spearheaded and also who is the donor of this award, Mrs. Jessie Grace Rodrigo. Where is our First Lady? Where's Mrs. Jessie Grace? To please come forward. May their inspiring achievements of the recipients of this award serve serve as fitting examples to us all, the younger generation of our association. Kunana da ito'y First Lady tayo, nagpintas na pagsarmingan isudan. Because all of those years, they have been retired. The husband is now 80 years old and the wife is now 78, both retired. And they still look forward to a future that they would be enjoying their lives, fulfilling life with the family of 6 and their grandchildren. Ladies and gentlemen, I now transfer the mic to our president to read the Parents of the Year Award.
Parents of the Year Award presented to Roylan Sr. and Juanita Mejia for exhibiting high standards of parenting, instilling family values, commitment of time, love, and care, and for raising a family that best exemplifies strong family ties. Given at the Knutsbury Farm Resort Hotel this 31st day of March 2012.
Come on, Manong.
May we now call on Mr. and Mrs. Froilan Sr. and Juanita Mejia. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. If you could remember, ladies and gentlemen, earlier when we started our host spiel, we mentioned that the founder of our town, San Nicolas, is Nicolas Patricio Mejia. And Mr. Froilan Mejia is the great-great-grandson of the founder of our municipality, San Nicolas. Another round of applause to both our recipients. The Parents of the Year, first ever achievement award given by the association. When we talk about this, there are also some maybe like next to receive such award, maybe next year. Who knows? It may be Loida, it may be Carol, or maybe Uncle Letty. Uncle Letty na rin tao ko, no? Nasanay na eh. Mr. and Mrs. Joe Pimentel. So, just like what we said, suda po tinapintas na pagsarmingan tayo nga upubing pay. Because at their age, look at that. They're still living and enjoying time together as husband and wife. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Froilan Mejia. This time, may I remind the dancers for both the special presentations from the association. And in the meantime, may we request our DJ here to please play some more music before we move on to the next part of the program for the selection and coronation of Mr., Miss, and Mrs. San Nicolas. It would just take us for about 15 minutes of that. So let's still enjoy the night and let's bring back again our feet to the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen.